All right, boys, we are back at it again. You can see some people pulling up already, or leaving, and people pulling in. Okay, there we go. What is up? Welcome back to another video, and we are going to La Paloma again, guys. Holy hell. Let's check out some cars. So if you guys are cool with that and down with that, smash that subscribe button, that like button. Let's get into it. I wonder what type of cars we'll find today. Okay, wow, why is it being so rowdy already? Now, what side? Should we do this side first or the crazy one? Holy hell. Just got here and they're already going on with it. Holy, it's already packed. Look at this. Oh my god. Out here struggling, man. Uh-oh. Damn. Clouds, bro. Oh, shoot. Those cops came down so close. That's actually crazy. Oh my god. You guys can't even tell how close they are, but they are so close. That's fire, bro. What's up? Holy. Gee, the homie is 240. That is nice. Carbon lip. Ooh, BBS. Bro. Yo. That's actually fire. That color though for the A90 is nice. Got a Marrow back there too. And I think a 30. Oh no, you know, 40i. Not a 30. What the hell? Really nice color wrap on this S3 though. The carbon lip as well. This looks nice. Ooh, show some love to the SS. Thing's nice. Lambo 370. Pretty nice, but that looks fire, man. That's awesome. Woo. That's a baller status, bro. Okay, R8 with the red interior or the red seats. V10 too. Like that, like that. Jeez, so here's all the supercars, eh? Damn. Ooh, Lambo. Ooh, that silver spec is nice. Damn, that color's wow. Green Huracan. That's a nice little color. Damn, Ace of Spades rally? I didn't know that was going on. Damn, selfie. Plain white Civic. That looks nice. Ooh. SIR. Ooh, the K-Swap one. Ooh, bro, look at the Suzuki, dude. This is crazy. What the hell? I've never seen this in my life. That is so crazy. Gosh, damn, that's so clean, man. It's gonna pop the hood. Hold on. Ooh. Man, I cannot wait to do this to mine, bro. Like, like, oh, I never get tired of this one. Like the roof, everything is just so nice. Big bag, the underkit, like, man, this everything with this car is crazy. I love it. I mean, I like my coilovers, but I mean, I would want to try it back at some point. Wow. Okay. That guy's going ape crap over there. Let's look at this. This is nice, dude. Ooh, I like the blue. Little Miata. Look how happy it looks. Just look how nice that looks. Front lip is so nice. Lightning McQueen? Like what? Hey, got a speed. Jenny. Side note, the moon is super bright right now. Ooh, dang, cops over there. I can't believe how crazy it's gotten already. Look at this, there's a cop down there, and then down there is another cop. So they're gonna block the place soon, I have a feeling. No way, a CRX. And it's pretty clean too. These are so hard to find. I swear you can't find any CRXs anymore. These are more rare than the 240s. If anybody can find me a CRX that's clean for cheap, let me know. Fun fact, guys, I actually wanted one of these before the Del Sol, but like I said, because I can't find any of these things, I gave up. Maybe one day though. Ooh, super sick. These guys can make custom plates. I should get one for the Soul. It would be pretty sick. Ooh. Definitely want to do something like that soon. Oh. Time cars, I love them. The inside, the cluster looks so like just retro, right? It's so cool. The rear mirror, crazy to me. It just looks like a toy car. Just wow. That is just wow. Literally this side of Paloma is just wild. That side's chill. This just looks like a bad idea. Like this just looks like a bad idea. Like, what the hell? Okay. I like his wheels. The gold, that looks nice. Damn, the hottest car of the meet, bro. A steamroller. Is that a steamroller? I don't even know, but bro. Look at that. Ooh, deep dish. Look how deep. Damn! Pulling up to the meet in this is baller status, bro. And look at that. This is pretty cool. How small it is. Oh, Volkswagen. It looks super nice. I like this. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh, no way. That car was loud, but the damn lewd, bro. The lewd is here.
Crazy!
Ah, so damn, it's busy down here. Damn, he's not happy, bro. He is not happy. Oh, man. Oh, snap. This guy ain't wasting. He ain't wasting no time. Oh, hell no. Yeah, good thing I moved. Good thing I moved. Look at that. It looks like so weird. It's like a bunch of fish all going towards where the crowd is. Oh, there we go again. Mustang doing Mustang things. Goodness. Whoa! Oh God! Whoa! This is a disaster waiting to happen, bro. Bro, turn into a racetrack down here. What the hell? Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's literally cops lined up way over there too. Like, look at that there. They're definitely waiting, planning something, and then they're gonna block it in. Oh, there's another one. Oh. Whoa! Bro, who keeps shooting me?
I know!
These are some cheap fireworks, for real. In other news, look at the cops over here. Just blocking the stuff in. Nobody can come in though, but people can leave, so at least that's good. Ooh, gotta catch that CRX leaving. You know I love these cars. Jeez. So nice. Alright boys, well that's the end for tonight. As you can tell, cops are blocking the entrances. At least they're letting us come out, so that's good. But I don't have to worry about that though, because I didn't park inside the plaza. But yeah guys, there's literally a cop right out there blocking there, a cop blocking here, a cop blocking literally one right here, and then one down there, and then one around. Literally the whole plaza all blocked. This was literally a crazy meet. Like, we just pulled up and all hell broke loose. I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys do enjoy these videos, and if you guys are tuning in for the next one, please be sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, stay humble, stay blessed. This was definitely a crazy meet. Like, it just got out of hand. I think La Paloma is just too hot right now, and I don't know, but I'm rambling. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.